Hi friends, welcome to Chennai to Ireland Healthy Food and Organic Gardening. This is our small allotment. We call ourselves the weekend gardeners and we call it this the most recycled plot. This is the last week of October. It's nearly the finish of planting season, but not for us. We are winter gardeners as well, but we do the most lazy job and plant things that don't have to be looked after at all during the winter. So today we have been planting onions and garlic, as you can see on our video there. Onions and garlic, they go down in September, October, and they are not ready to harvest until June. Garlic that we bought from the supermarket, which we have broken down into 6 or 8 cloves, and just one of these cloves will go into the soil and will make a garlic of another 8 cloves for next June. So this is the bottom end, which actually forms the root, and this is the top end, which forms the shoot. So all I'm going to do is just lightly, gently press that in and cover it with soil. And then I'm going to cover this with the compost or the bean shoots that were growing this summer in this bed. This bean shoot has a dual purpose. It breaks down to make compost, but it also acts as a mulch to protect from weeds from coming up. These onions over here we planted 2 weeks ago, and they have actually grown about 2 inches long. They were just barely at the tip of the soil when we had sowed them in, and in 2 weeks time they're about 3 to 4 inches long. So we hope the same for the fresh ones that we have planted today, that they will do as well. And this is very promising because such a little effort and so much of abundance of produce. These are the small garlics, onions that have come from India, and this one bulb will give me at least 5 or 6 bulbs, and that's abundance of produce, I believe. One of that bulb will be dried and kept for the next harvest season, and the 5 remaining bulbs will be used by us for our salads and curries. This bed is planted with onions at the moment, and this is the last onion that I have to plant in this bed. So as you can see, this is the root over here, and this is the germinated point. So the root will go down and the germinated point will stand outside, exposed to the air. So I've made a small hole. The soil is fairly loose, very loose actually, and there goes in my onion bulb, and it's planted now, ready for next season. We will be coming out next weekend to look at how it is doing, but we won't be doing anything else. This will take up till June to germinate and grow and be ready to be harvested. No maintenance, apart from some weeding and some mulching, nothing else to be done. No fertilizer, no slug pellets, nothing. This here is our blueberry plant. It's in hibernation at the moment, but it looks nice and fresh. And new canes will come up from these parts, these stems in the soil for next summer. And then we will have plenty of blueberries. We had a fantastic harvest this summer actually. We loved them. Very, very sweet, very purple color, full of antioxidants, no fertilizers, no pesticides, no chemicals at all. Animals in nature, we are great hibernators as well as far as gardening is concerned. We don't come out to the allotment until March, except for maybe an odd weekend here or there, because there's nothing to be done now. The onions and garlics have been planted. Last year we had planted broad beans as well, but this time I'm not going to do it because my freezer is full of broad bean pods and seeds, and I still have a lot to use before I can plant the next cycle.